Welcome to this Fusion version 18 New Features guide. We will be releasing version 18 very soon, and so we're going to be going over some of the new features that can be found in version 18. The first of these features that I'm going to be going over is the addition of colored lines in plan view. This feature allows designers to apply colors to the outline of collection of units in plan view in order to indicate a specific set of common attributes. The color coding system is associated with Fusion's existing layer mechanism, which allows designers to indicate units based on common attributes, or to group certain units together based upon them occupying a common area of the design, or coming from the same manufacturer perhaps. This can be created by creating a new layer and assigning a line color to it. The end result is a plan view drawing that uses line colors as defined by entries made in a color dialog. To turn colored lines on, we have our view palette to open. We need to select the wireframe and then select Use Colored Lines. We can see that we have our wall units, floor units, and capping all set to different colors. To change this manually, we go to the Change menu, we select the Layers option, and we just select the line color that we want to change. We can set our walls to a light blue. Select OK, click OK, and there we have our wall layers now set to a new color. Second feature that I'm going to be covering with this video is the dimensions that have been changed. I'm going to turn on my auto dimensions, and we'll see that we have the default Fusion dimension ends. These can now be changed by selecting our dimension palette. And we'll take a notice in this area here, we have new dimension ends. There are 26 in total, and just by selecting on one of them, we'll see that it applies to the design. What else has also changed is the witness lines. If we turn our witness lines on, we now have 3 new options as opposed to just the dots. We now have a dashed option, a straight line, and a dot dash. As we see, as we turn that on, it updates inside the plane. We also have new ends in annotation. For custom annotations, I'm just going to add a custom annotation to this design. And we'll see that we have new end style available for custom annotations. We just select the end style, select Apply. I'm going to move my custom annotation to a new area. And in order to see the end style, we need to just hold down Control on our keyboard, click on the annotation. We can then release control and we'll see that we can now draw an annotation line to a point on our design. Previously, we would only be able to have a solid straight line, but they've included the option to now, when I click, to continue drawing this line to new areas. And to close this off, I just double click in an area and we see that we have our end style associated. To change this, we just go and select a new end style. Select Apply, and that end style is now associated with this annotation.